This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the bobbin and top spool. This sets consistent tension. First, choose the thread and confirm the machine needle matches. This prevents skipped stitches. Once done, place the spool on the pin and route the thread through the designated guide for winding. Make sure to anchor the thread tail in the bobbin and engage the bobbin winder. Press the pedal briefly so the bobbin fills evenly. You should see neat, layered winding. This step controls lower thread behavior during sewing. Next, you thread the upper path precisely because alignment affects stitch formation. First, raise the presser foot and spin the handwheel to bring the needle to its highest position. This opens the tension discs. Then, route the thread through each numbered guide. Spool pin, tension mechanism, take-up lever, and the small guides down to the needle bar. Make sure to pass the thread through the needle eye from front to back. Leave a 4/6-inch tail so the bobbin thread can be pulled up without slipping. Finally, you need to bring the bobbin thread up and test the setup to ensure reliable sewing. With the presser foot still raised, hold the upper thread and gently turn the handwheel toward you so the needle lowers and rises. This catches the bobbin thread. Pull the upper thread to draw a loop of bobbin thread up, then pull both threads back under the presser foot about 3-4 inches. Sew a short sample stitch. If stitches look uneven, recheck tension and rethread. Most problems clear with a careful rethread.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.